Today we're unboxing the Xiaomi Mi 9. Let's jump in. Straight out the box, you're greeted with a visually impressive device, with stunning curved edges and a range of standout colours. With a Gorilla Glass 6 screen and good button layout, including a configurable Google Assistant button. The slick MIUI OS has nice details, like a subtle blurring of the background when rolling down the menu, and also brilliant animated icons. We're all used to the notch by now. The Mi 9's teardrop is subtle and not overly intrusive. A 6.39-inch AMOLED display and rapid second generation in-display fingerprint sensor makes this device feel quality. This is Xiaomi's first rear free camera setup, with a 12 megapixel telephoto lens that allows us to zoom in 2 times, a 48 megapixel wide angle and a 16 megapixel super wide. With the Snapdragon 855, this device never feels like it can't keep up. Instead, it blazes ahead even when playing performance draining games. The Mi 9 also supports super fast 20-watt wireless charging. If you'd like to find out more about the Mi 9, comment below and don't forget to subscribe.